Hello, this is Jay with Real Property Management Seacoast, New Hampshire. Today we wanted to share a few tips to help reduce the likelihood of an eviction. Evictions are the legal process to have a tenant removed from a property. Reasons for evictions include non-payment of rent, breach of lease terms, damage to the property, or tenants creating an unsafe environment. Or, on occasion, an owner needing to remove a tenant from a property to change the use of that unit or property. First thing you can do, and number one, would be thorough tenant screening. Perform comprehensive background checks, including credit history, rental history, income verification. First is thorough tenant screening. Perform comprehensive background checks, including credit history, rental history, verification of income, and criminal background checks. This helps ensure that a potential tenant has a history of responsible behavior, and the ability to pay rent. Second, clear and detailed lease agreements. Draft a lease that clearly outlines all terms and conditions, including rent due dates, maintenance responsibilities, and consequences of non-compliance. Ensure that tenants understand the lease before signing. Next would be proactive maintenance. Regularly inspect the property and address maintenance issues promptly. A well-maintained property improves tenant satisfaction and can reduce disputes over living conditions. Next would be open lines of communication. Foster a good relationship with tenants through regular communication. Encourage them to reach out if they encounter financial difficulties or have concerns about the property. This openness can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Flexible payment options. Consider offering various payment methods, such as online payments, automatic withdrawals. Make it easy for tenants to pay their rent on time. Flexibility can significantly reduce the likelihood of late payments. By implementing these tips, you can greatly reduce the likelihood or need to file an eviction. When tenants know you care, they're more likely to care as well. Appreciate you listening. Once again, this is Jay with Real Property Management Seacoast.